How to create a free mobile app for your business, easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can build a free mobile app without having to learn any coding or do anything difficult like that, and how you can build a simple application to get your business recognized on mobile devices as well. So let's get into it. Now, you always have a business, you have like an e-commerce storefront, but sometimes you need a mobile application to get more customers or to have a business representation for maybe your gym, for a counseling therapy clinic you might have. So having a mobile application is super important because people are on their phones all the time. They're not on their laptops or PCs all the time. So and that is why we are going to be using the platform called Jotform. So you're just going to go onto jotform.com, and then you're going to click on templates over here, and then you can click on app templates over here. And once you do that, you can get started with any of these app templates. So you can create a simple application without having to learn any code, without having to do anything difficult. And it's basically like building a Wix website. You can just customize your application and your application will be ready. So what you're going to do is you're going to select the category of app you want. So if you want to make a booking app, if you want to make a healthcare app, inventory app, reservation app, so even want to create like an online e-commerce store, you can even create a application for that. So what you're going to do is, let's say that we want to build a booking app for our therapy clinic. So we're going to go with a booking app, and then you can choose any one of these templates over here. So there are multiple different templates, from beauty salon templates, pet care templates, hospital templates. So there is a lot of different options, and we're going to go on ahead and we're going to continue with this massage app, and we're going to click on preview over here. We're going to click on use template. And once we've done that, this will open up the app builder, and then you can begin customizing it. So first off, we're going to change the name. And then once we've changed the name, we're going to add a description. And then you can remove the logo over here and add your own logo if you have one. If you don't have one, then you can just remove this app header. So you can remove the header if you want, but we're just going to go on ahead. And you can even change the layout. So we have this current layout, which is the default layout. You can choose any one of these layouts as you wish. And then we're going to click on the header over here. We're going to use the upload section. You can upload your icon or you can just leave it. And then you can even click on add element, and then you can scroll down and add any specific kind of element that you want in your application. So we're just going to go on ahead and we're going to add our personal information that we want to display. If you want, you can actually delete these sections as you go. So you can have your COVID-19 consent, and then you have your schedule, your booking. So once we do that, we're going to click on edit form, and we're just going to customize the form that we have added for our scheduling. And we're going to remove the bottom section as well. This is like the phone number, the social media, and the address. You're gonna change this, add your own address and social media links as well. And we're just going to customize our logo. We're gonna click on save. And then what we're going to do is we're going to change our building form. So this is what our form is looking like. And what we're going to do is we're going to customize this calendar. And we're going to go on ahead and change the times over here that are available. We're going to click on properties, and then we're going to click on availability, and then you can add your custom slot durations as well. You can add your intervals as well. You can add the specific days that you're available. So it's basically so easy, and then you're just going to add the availability, the general appointments. You also have limits, so you can add a start and end date. So only so maybe if you're taking like a week off, you can mark that as a week off where people are not able to book you, such as vacation and holidays. You can add those as well. And then you have advanced settings as well. So if you are providing group sessions, you can add maximum attendees for a specific session, and then you can also send one-on-one, and you can also send emailed reminders to your specific attendees. So people that have booked you for an appointment can be reminded via email that they have an appointment with you. Once you have customized that, you can just go on ahead and preview your application if it's all set for you. So this is what the application is currently like, but we're just going to turn this off, and we're going to click on build, we're going to click on the layout, and we're actually going to click on add element. And let's say that I want to add a testimonial from my customers. I can add that to the bottom. and this could be any kind of testimonial. And then you can also add image galleries to add images, whatever you want to add in your application. So let's say I want to add, images from my clinic, I can add those over here. And you also can add products if you're running an e-commerce store, but we're just creating a simple scheduling application for my therapy clinic, so we're going to keep it at that. And then you also have different widgets that you can add. So you have Facebook like boxes, SoundCloud, WhatsApp buttons, Spotify, Skype call buttons, other things as well, but we don't need those over here. So we're just going to click on settings. So you have continue forms later, add home social media model, then you have your app name and icon. So we're going to change the app name to be Jane's Clinic. And once you've entered the name of our clinic, we can click on edit icon and you can add your own image. For that, if you don't already have an icon, just go onto canva.com and then you can easily build a simple icon. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and search for icon. And you have multiple different icons available, so you can take a look at the different templates available, or you can click on blank icon and create your own. So I'm just going to create my own. And we're just going to use one of these illustrations over here as our icon. Placing this at the center, click on share, click on download, and download this as a PNG. And now you can upload your icon over here as well. So we're going to click on edit icon, click on remove image, upload our own file over here, click on open. And now our own clinic icon has been added. So you can see this is how it would appear on people's mobile screens. This is what the application is going to look like. And then you're just going to click on publish over here. And then you're going to click on sign up now. We're just going to sign up with our Google account. You can sign up before you get started with building your application, but it's free, easy, and simple. So we're just going to continue with our name and email address over here, and just like that we have our app link. So we can copy the link and open in the new tab to see what our application is looking like. This is what the web version is looking like, and now we can also download this via QR code and also publish this and share this in all social media platforms. So you can make this public access, company access, or private access. So you can even create private applications that are for your business, for only people that are working within your business, or you can even create public applications, which would allow you to expand to your customers or to your clients. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.